Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hyaluronic acid serum from powder. First, gather your essential ingredients: high molecular weight hyaluronic acid powder and distilled water. It's crucial to sanitize all your equipment, including bowls, spoons, and bottles, to prevent contamination. For a standard 1% serum, you'll need to measure out 0.5 grams of hyaluronic acid powder. This concentration is generally effective for most skin types. Now let's mix. Slowly sprinkle the 0.5 grams of hyaluronic acid powder into 50 milliliters of distilled water. It's important to add it gradually while continuously stirring to prevent clumping. You want a smooth, even dispersion. Once mixed, cover your container and place it in the refrigerator. The powder needs time to fully hydrate, which can take several hours or even overnight to achieve a gel-like consistency. To ensure your homemade serum remains safe and effective, adding a preservative is vital. Incorporate a broad-spectrum preservative, such as liquid Germol Plus or Optifin, at a concentration of 0.5% to 1% of your total serum volume. This step prevents bacterial growth and extends shelf life. Once preserved, transfer your serum into an airtight, dark glass bottle. Store it in the refrigerator to maintain its potency for up to 3 months. You can customize your serum by adding a few drops of skin-benefiting essential oils, like lavender or frankincense, but always dilute them properly. For an extra hydration boost, consider incorporating a small amount of glycerin, perhaps 2% of the total volume. Remember to patch test any new ingredients. Also, if you're looking for a fresh scent for your car, check out the link in the description for Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy your personalized, hydrating serum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.